Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today for you guys I have a unboxing / review on one of my favorite collaborations from 2019. Somehow they were still available on Nike when they did a big 20 to 30% off sale on all clearance items, and they included these special collab shoes. These came in women's and men's sizing, different colors. For me, I went with the women's colorway and just got it in my size because I preferred it over the men's options. Before I keep talking more about the shoe, let me show you guys the shoe so you know what I'm talking about. So let's get into it. Here's the box that it comes in. It's a black Nike box that is a slide, like most collaboration shoes. Has the Undercover on the side, nothing on the back, Undercover, and then the size label. There's some reference for you guys. And then the big shiny Nike on the top, with obviously the things on the bottom. These are one of my favorite boxes Nike produces and sends out with special shoes. I don't know if you can see, I have the Supreme one right here. It's the same thing. It just has Supreme on the side instead of Undercover. I like these boxes because when you stack them, you can just take out the shoes without having to unstack every other pair you own. So it's very convenient when it comes to just regular shoe boxes and buying drop fronts. So I'm gonna give you guys a first look of this shoe now, and as you open it, you are greeted with the Undercover special paper. The top can come all the way off, which I do like as well. It makes it easy to show you guys a better look at the shoe. As you open it, you are greeted with the black and sail colorway, and boom, here we go. We have the black and sail Nike Undercover Daybreaks. These are one of those weird, crazy collaboration shoes that came out, I believe, last year. So these are the Undercover Nike Daybreak collabs, like I said. For me, I got the women's colorway of the all black sail midsole and speckle. My main purpose of getting this shoe was to wear for the gym. It's a casual gym shoe. If I just want to kind of just do a light day at the gym, these are definitely a shoe I might pull out. That's why I definitely went with the black. Won't get dirty too easy. Wear it with everything. Will go great with sweats. I believe the other colorways that they had left were the red and green pair and then the white and black pair. I believe there might have been a couple others, but I know that sizes were pretty limited. I know for the women's it was just big sizes left, so I got lucky on that case. But for the Nike sale, I got them for I believe under $70, and I believe retail is $160. Yep, retail is $160. Funny story about these is that not this summer, but last summer, 2019, I went to New York, and while I was there, I went to the Nike store, the big, tall one. If you guys ever have the chance to go see it, I definitely recommend it. It was one of the best experiences of my life. A great place to be. So while I was there, I really wanted these shoes. I wanted the purplish blue colorway more than anything. I went to round 2 the day before, and they had them, but they were a size too small and they wanted more than retail. With them coming out the days before round 2 had them, I was like, well, I'll check the Nike store. So when we went to the Nike store, they had this back part. There's like this black room. It's very cool. It had these special couch seats that you could try your shoes on. And while I was there, they had the green colorway, the green and red colorway, and I believe the red and white colorway, which I would have been fine getting. Sadly, all they went up to was a 12.5 men's. So when I tried them on, they were a little too narrow for my feet. So I really needed a 13. So luckily I didn't buy them at the time. And now a little bit over a year later, I got them in a colorway I much rather prefer and much more wearable in my size. So that's just a neat story that I have with this shoe that made me really want to buy it, because I've always wanted it and I finally got it. It might not be the purple blue colorway, but it is a great colorway nonetheless. Let me give you guys a closer look at the shoe real quick. As you can see, it just has the Undercover writing on it, has the Undercover logo on the heel with the big heel plate, which is one of my favorite parts. It's weird, people are gonna ask, what is that? Some people are gonna think it's really awkward. Some people that are into shoes will think it's awful, and then the others will also think it's amazing, like I do myself. On the inside, you just have the black, and then it's really not anything crazy of a shoe. It's a very crazy looking shoe, but with the calm colors, I think it's amazing. You have like this nylon upper and this like suede nubuck on the toe. these big chunky laces, a leather liner, and the Nike logo brings a little bit of color. Has the Nike Undercover with a blue swoosh. Like all unboxing and review videos, I'll give you a closer look at the shoe with some close-up shots for you guys, like I always include at the end. I'm very happy I ended up getting these. It's just too good of a deal to pass up. I am gonna give you guys an on-foot look at these shoes so you guys can see kind of what I pair it with. For me, I'll probably just pair it with some baggy sweats, you know, something casual, nothing too crazy with these. That's all I really have for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But I want to thank you guys for coming and watching the video. It means a lot to me. I appreciate every single one of you for just watching, and if you like, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate that, of course, if you want. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great day and enjoy these shots. Peace.